Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook profile has some issues. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open Facebook application on your phone. Then what you should do right now is simply go and click on the three lines right here on the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you should go now to your profile, tap on your profile. Then once you open your profile, you will see that you have a message that says profile has some issues. So tap on it. Then it will show you exactly what are the actions that they have taken and why you have some issues. And now what you should do right now is to simply screenshot the issue that you have. Then what you should do right now is to simply go back to your settings. Go into the menu and scroll down till you find this option right here, Help and Support. So click on Help and Support. Then choose Report a Problem. And after that you have to scroll down again and click on Continue Report a Problem. Now once you click on it, it will show you this message right here. Click on Do Not Include. Then scroll down till you find an option that says Profile. So choose Profile option. And now we have to upload the screenshot that you have captured using the phone. Then you should now describe here your issue, and after describing the issue in details, you should click on Send Report and Facebook support will fix the issue. So that's basically how you can fix Facebook profile has some issues. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.